My name is Jiajia, and I'm the product manager at Gooroo. Gooroo is an online marketplace that connects tutors and students for one-on-one personalized learning. Last year, we were redesigning the entire product, including the website and app. So we have a website for students and also an app for tutors. We have all the designs ready, but we don't have enough development resources to build the tutor app. And that's how we came to Redwerk for help. Um, that was quite interesting because actually, since I was little, I was very into math and technology stuff. Because I never thought like women should not be doing anything technology related, and technology is only a man thing. I never see it that way. Um, yeah, I was just particularly good at STEM subjects growing up. And then in college, I chose to major in statistics, and later in grad school, majored in engineering. So that's sort of how I get started. And also, um, I was very into entrepreneurship and startups. And after I graduated, I met our current Guru founder through alumni network. So I just thought it was a great opportunity to experience the startup life and how we build up a business from zero. Uh, and I actually didn't start it off as a product manager. I started off as a data analyst, and later on, they decided to kind of give me a shot on product management. Um, and I found that this is something I like, and I just continued to work on that. I definitely think women have some advantage in the high tech industry in terms of, especially in terms of communication, um, because we know like um, that's sort of why product manager exists, is to be the glue between business, technology, design, and business. And there's a lot of communication involved, which I think women, because we tend to over communicate and to make sure the person we talk to really understand, and we're sort of better at empathizing with people when we communicate. So that can definitely be very helpful uh, company that requires a lot of communication between different departments. Probably Marisa Mayer from Google, because I like her approach, that how she approached product management in the sense that we should all the decision should be driven by metrics and data, and she sort of started that at Google, and now it's kind of like the standard for every product manager. I think there are just generally more opportunities in tech industry because there are a lot of innovations going on. Um, and it's not really about attracting women, it's attracting everyone into this industry because of the opportunities we have and the potential we see of this industry to really disrupt some traditional industry and make it more efficient. And also women, we have the skill set that this industry needs. Like we're more detail oriented, we are better at, we are more willing to communicate. Um, yeah, and it's just there are opportunities and we have the skills, so we gonna connect. That's how I see this. Yeah. I definitely think education is the first thing that we can provide, STEM education for girls. Instead of telling girls you're not good at math, you're not good at science, you're not supposed to be good at those. I do think maybe men and women's brain function differently, but it doesn't mean that women cannot excel in STEM subjects. So it's to give girls the confidence that they can do really well in technology, and also to provide them with the opportunities to explore tech uh, at an early age, to work on projects, hands-on project on their own. Um, just give them the opportunities to explore their interests, whatever that is, instead of saying no, girls shouldn't touch that. Yeah, I think that would be the first step. Because once you're in the company, if you're really good at what you're doing, people will discover your talent. They will acknowledge that you're really uh, good, a female programmer, you're very good product manager, project manager. It's really about what skills you can contribute, you can provide, what mm, for the company. Yeah, I would say um, just society in general. We don't really have to see things by gender. It's really about the work itself, um, and the skills that person can contribute, whether or not um, it's a when it's women or men.